Hi all. Today I'm going to solve this question. Actually, I have solved this question already, but I faced a lot of difficulty. Though the question seems quite familiar, and watching this subarray keyword, you might have understood, and the target is given and subarray is given. So basically, you have understood that what concept that will be required here is sliding and slide the window. Okay, slide the window. Okay, but what I thought, I tried to make the question very complex. Okay, first of all, let us read the question. So we are given an integer array nums and a target integer. We have to return a minimum length subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to the target, and if no such subarray is found, we have to simply return 0. Okay, so what I thought, that we have this subarray. Okay, sorry, we have this array and we have the target is equals to 7. Target is equals to 7. Okay, target is 7. So what I thought, simply let us make the indexes 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what I thought, that I can apply prefix sum. Okay, very clever, huh? Prefix sum. Okay, everyone has I cannot think of easy solution. No, okay. So I thought that okay, let's this one is I saw this thing. Okay, target and subarray. But what I thought, okay, we cannot alter the array. Why we cannot alter the array? Because it has clearly given minimum length subarray, and we have to find subarray. That means we cannot alter the array. That means we cannot sort the array in ascending or descending order. Simple thing. Okay, one thing I got. So what hit my first of all, what hit my mind was make prefix sum. Okay, so I made the first sum. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 4 12 and then 3 12 3 15. Okay, now what I did, I made a map. Okay, a map of sum, not sum, p sum and index. Okay, I made the sum. Now sorry, map. Now what I did, I stored the sum and their index value, so let me debug also. So I got 2 at 0, then 5 at 1, then 6 at 2, 8 at 3, then 12 na? 12 at 4 and then 15 at 5. Okay, so this is my map element. Okay, this is my map. Now let's structure it. So this is my map. So I thought, let's see if I get 2 now. 2 is less than 7. Obviously 2 is less than 7. Now 5 is less than 7, obviously. So I'll move to the next element. 6 is also less than 7. Okay. Now we got 8. Okay. If I got 8, so my thought process was, if I got 8, if 8 is greater than target, simply add do 8 minus index 0. Sorry, map.get 8, the key value. The value is 8 and corresponding the value, sorry, the key is 8 and the corresponding value is 3. So 3 minus 0 plus 1 will be equals to our subarray sum, sorry, subarray length. So 3 minus 0 plus 1, 3 minus 0 plus 1 is equals to 4, and that is correct also. I thought this condition is correct also. Okay, subarray is obviously equals to length of 4. Now, but what if I get 12? Okay, I get 12. 12 is also greater than 7. Now, do I need to check from 12 to 2? No. So, what I thought, okay, I got the next solution also. You won't believe. If map contains key 12 minus 7, that is equals to 5. If we get the key now, what I did, I get the fifth index, that is 1, and just do this 12th index minus 5th index. So 12th index is 4 and 5th index is 1. Okay, so what I get, uh, let's see, 4 sorry 4 5 6 7. This is my required subarray length. Okay, the first subarray length was 4, but we need to find the minimum subarray length. The second subarray sum we got is 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. Why 4 minus 1? That is a prefix sum property. Prefix sum property. I get the index 12. Sorry, we got the index sum of 12, and anything 12 minus target. 12 minus target is present in our subarray. Sorry, in our prefix sum. If it is present, so we can say that this subarray will have the target value is equals to 7. That is a simple math. So I thought that I can apply that also. So but what I am doing here, I need to do 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. Okay, but it is not it is not correct solution. Okay, some test case will not pass in this condition, and I get the wrong answer. Not I, we will get the wrong answer. Obviously we can apply prefix sum, but at some point of time we have to slide the window, like slide the window. Okay, so that was my issue that I faced. Now let us see the correct way. So now at index 0, if I say slide the window, so I have I here, I have j here at index 0, and we have sum equals to 0, and minimum is equals to max, integer max value, whatever max value is 99999. Okay, so like if you can see the constraints we are given, minimum lumps of I is 10 to the power 4, so we can say 10 to the power 4 plus 1, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 plus 1 is our like minimum value. Okay, now I think that you know why I'm making this minimum value to be the maximum, because we need to find the minimum value now. So at last we'll compare math.min, so obviously this value will be discarded. Okay, and we'll get the minimum value. Okay, now we'll have 2 in our sum, we'll add 2. Now increment j, now again add nums of j, that is 3 plus 2 will be equals to 5. Now again 5 is less than 7, so increment j plus plus 5 plus 1 6, 6. Now again 6 is also less than 7, so again j plus plus 6 plus 2, that is equals to 8. Now 8 is not less than 7. Okay, so we have reached this condition that subarray sum is greater than or equals to target. So subarray sum is greater than target. So in this condition we have to find the subarray length. What is the subarray length? 3 minus 0 plus 1. Why 3 minus 0 plus 1? Because it is a 0 based indexing array. So we need to get the subarray's length. So we need to do j minus I plus 1. So that is equals to 4. So 4 math.min 4 or min, like minimum value will be 4 or this one. Obviously 4 will be the minimum value. So that's why we have made the minimum value in the beginning. We have initialized it with the maximum. Okay, integer dot max also we can apply, and then we'll compare with the minimum subarray length. So that is now, for now it is 4. Now since we got this is equals to greater than 7, so we will not increment our j value. Okay, first of all we'll decrement our ith value. So 8 minus 2 will get 6, and then we'll increment I. Okay, we have removed this 2 from our sum, so we are left with 6, and now 6 is less than 7, so we'll do j plus plus, and I'll add 4. Okay, because 4 is the next j's value, so 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Now 10 is greater than or equal to 7. Yeah, 10 is greater than 7. Now what I'll do, again I'll see the subarray length, the 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, again 4. So minimum is, the minimum length is 4 still. Now we'll remove this 3 from 10. So if we remove the 3 from 10, we'll get 7, and I'll do I plus plus. Now the sum is 7. 7 is less than 7? No, 7 is equal to 7. So this is also a valid, because or equal to target. Now subarray sum is equal to target. 7 is equals to 7. So now 4 minus 2, we have 2 plus 1. 3. So which is less than 4? 3 is less than 4 obviously, so minimum will be 3. Now 7 is not less than 7, so again we will remove this ith value, that is 1, and it will be 6. I'll do I plus plus. Now 6 is less than 7 obviously, so increment j and add the 3 here. So 6 plus 3, we got 9. 9 is greater than 7, yeah. Now let us see the subarray length. 5 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So minimum is still 3. Minimum length is still 3. Now 9 is greater than 7 obviously. So we will increment I. Before incrementing I, we will remove the ith value from 9. So we'll remove ith value from 9. We are left with 7. So and increment I. So now we can see 7 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, subarray sum is also 7. And means this only subarray sum is equals to 7. And the length is now 2. Okay, 2 elements are there, so length is 2. So 5 minus 4, 1 plus 1, we got 2. Okay, so we are doing j minus I plus 1. I hope you all are understanding why I am doing this one. Because we have 0 index array, so to get the subarray length, we have to do j minus I plus 1. J will be the greater index and I is the lower index plus 1, because it is a 0 index array. If it would have been a 1 index array, na, then we will not use this formula. We'll simply do j minus I. Okay, if it is 1 index array, okay, if it is starting from 1, the array is starting from 1, but our array is starting from 0, so we'll do j minus I plus 1 plus 1. And now see the solution which I wrote here. I'll show you. For 1 hour I was just debugging the code. See, this is wrong answer. What I was doing, making a map, prefix map, putting the sum, making 3 4 if else condition. It looks quite hazy, dirty. Okay, we need to write clean code. It is not clean code. Okay, I tried so many things. This 9 hours ago, then 8 after 1 hour I got the solution. Okay, here also this solution is quite dirty. Why dirty? I'm making a if loop, inside it another if loop, and then while loop. Okay, this looks good, this looks good, but why this loop is required? If loop is not at all required. In each iteration we are doing sum plus 1, so why this sum less than target? Obviously we are getting here until when the sum is greater than target. At last sum will be less than target. Okay, after this while loop will be executed now, sum will be less than target, and this if is not at all required. So this was the dumbness that I did here, and I did a lot of debugging here also. Okay, did a lot of debugging, and obviously it required me 1 hour. And see, after again I practiced this one. Okay, so this is a clean code, looks so clean here. So I just remove the if loop, if condition here. So in each iteration only we need to do the sum plus nums of j, and in this while loop we are removing the ith value if the sum is getting greater than target. Okay, and j plus plus, in each iteration only we have to do j plus plus. That is the concept of sliding window. And at last this thing I am doing because the condition says here that if no sub such array is found with the value greater than or equal to target, if no such array is found, then we have to return 0. So we are checking, what we are checking, if the minimum length is equal to the maximum value. If it is equal to maximum value, that means no such subarray has been found yet. So we are using this ternary operator to initialize the minimum value to be 0, or else the minimum value will be equal to min only. Okay, so and at last we have returned the minimum value. So it took like I let us. Okay, obviously it will be submitted as it was accepted here also. It will get accepted here also. Yeah. And one more thing I want to show you all, that this bad code which I ran here, bad code had a very bad time complexity, you can see. Okay, just because of this if block. Okay, and rest all the code is exact same. Just because of the if block it went at last, and just because of removing the if block just removing the if block, it went at the second position. Okay, like not second position, like it is using 1 millisecond of time, here it was using 5 millisecond of time. Okay, so yeah, that was the question. I tried my best to understand you all the solution. I hope you all like the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.